The ByBit Launchpad has done pretty well. Most of the coin launched through it has done at least 1000% in its first week. Castor, for example, did 2098%, Real did 1851%, CBX did 1228%. 18 coins so far has been launched on this platform and they have done quite well. Number 19 is coming, and that is why I'm making this video, to show you how you can partake and also partake in the subsequent launchpad that will come on Bybit. The question is, why do launchpads exist? This is the reason. Project builders need money to make their project a reality. To raise this money, they conduct IDOs or ICOs or go through launchpads. When they raise the money and carry out the project and the project becomes successful, it will reflect in the price of the token. Those who bought the tokens are now in profits. So launchpad owners use Launchpad to introduce a new project to their community and give them the opportunity to buy the token at the cheapest price. Most of the time, the projects are vetted to confirm that they are not a scam, but profits are not guaranteed. Bybit uses its Launchpad to introduce new projects to its over 10 million active users. To take part in the Bybit Launchpad, the first step is to create an account with Bybit if you don't have one already. Now, if you go to the description, I left a link there. That is a link for you to sign up to Bybit, create an account, verify your account, complete KYC, and download the app. On the Bybit homepage, you can see the Launchpad here. If I also click on this more here, I go to the event section, the Launchpad is also there. So let me click on the Launchpad. So you can see here that there are 19 projects already on the Bybit Launchpad, and a total of $3.4 billion have been generated, and over 1 million persons have participated in the Launchpads. Now, the current Launchpad is the MIBR, and you can see that subscription starts in 3 days. If you scroll down more, you see the previous projects. You see Castor has done 2089%. Then you have Real, and you have CBX and others. If I go back to this current project, which is the MIBR, you can see the snapshot period here. I'll come back to explain it. There are 2 ways to partake in this project. One is subscription in bits. Bits is the Bybit token, and the second one is lottery support in USDT. The subscription in bits has 350,000 MIBR allocation, and that in lottery has 150,000 MIBR allocated to it. I can choose to partake in one of them. For subscription in bits, I have to commit the BIT token during the subscription period. The quantity of the MIBR token I can purchase out of the total allocation of 350,000 MIBR will be proportionate to the amount of BIT that I committed in relation to the total number of BIT committed by everyone else. What I mean here is that if my BIT in the subscription is 0.1% of the total subscription, then I will be able to buy 350 MIBR, which is 0.1% of the total 350,000 MIBR token allocated to the subscription in bits. The worth of this 350 MIBR would then be taken from my bits after the subscription period, and the rest returned to me. Note that the maximum number of MIBR a person can purchase is 400 MIBR, irrespective of the bits committed in the subscription phase. For the lottery support in USDT, I will commit $100 for a lottery ticket. If the ticket wins, I win 7.5 MIBR. 1 MIBR is equals to 1 USDT. So I will receive 7.5 MIBR, and 92.5 USDT will be returned to my wallet. If I don't win, I'll receive back my 100 USDT. I told you about the snapshot period. To take part in the Launchpad, I will have to qualify for it during the snapshot period. I will have to have at least 100 USDT or 50 bits in my account either in the sports or derivative or funding or earn account. Now, if I click join here, you can see that I need at least 50 bits. You can see I have 0. So I need 50 bits during this snapshot period to qualify, or I need at least 100. You can see it's showing 70 here. But let's click on this calculate in this subscription in bits first. So I click calculate. So it's saying that minimum balance required is 50, current balance is 0, that I need additional 76 BIT. So I actually need 76 BIT here. If I also click on calculate here in the lottery support in USD, it's saying I have minimum required is 100, your balance is 70, and you will need $46 more to qualify. But the thing is this, I actually have $200 in my sports account here, but the snapshot is taken every hour and updated once a day. But I don't have BIT, so we'll go and buy Bit first. So what I will do is to go back to the home page. Then if I click on my assets, you can see that I have in my sports wallet, I have $200 here. Now, if I don't have USDT here or money in my account, I can just click on deposits. Then I'll choose the coin I want to deposit. Then it shows me the wallet address. I send the coin to this wallet address. If I want to buy with Naira, you can click on buy crypto here. You show you how to buy with Naira, or you watch my P2P video on ByBit to know how to buy with Naira. Now, since I already have USDT here, I'll click on this trade here to go and buy Bit. So I click on this BTC USDT, then I search for BIT, which is ByBit token. I'll click on it. Then I want to buy $50 worth of bits. So I click on 50. So what I actually need is 50 bits, but I want to buy 102 bits with $50. So I click on buy bits. So it has been purchased, right? If I go back to my assets and click on sports, you can see I have $150 here and 102 BIT. So if I go back to the Launchpad here and I click on join here, right? Now the snapshot is still showing 0 out of 50. It is updated once a day by around 3 a.m. USD. Now by that time, this will be updated and I'll be qualified to take part in the subscription phase. This is a snapshot phase. After that, we'll have the subscription phase. During that time, I will now have to commit the amount of bits, or I'll commit 100 USDT if I'm taking part in the lottery, whichever one I want. After the subscription period is the distribution period. Now in this period, that's when I will receive the coin, right? At this time, when I received it, I can now sell it in the spot markets. Maybe that's done 1,000% or more. I can now sell it and have my profits. So this is basically how you take part in the ByBit Launchpad. By the time you're watching this video, the MIBR launch may have been over, but at least you know how it is done and you can look forward to the next one. But why waiting for it? If you want to be able to copy a pro trader's trade or set up a trading bot to trade for you and make you profit continuously on autopilot, then watch this next video.